Hello, thank you for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. And in this video, I have a very special video today because I'm being interviewed. Yes, so from the Super Affiliate Conference that I attended for a Wealthy Affiliate, one of the super affiliates interviewed me. So I was able to talk about my business, my background a little bit, and give you lots of tips on how I do my online business and the advice I have for new people who want to get into our affiliate marketing business. It's going to be a great interview, so you can learn a lot. So I hope you watch it all the way, okay? So let's get started right now.
Welcome to this special interview. We have here today a special guest, Grace, who has experience of making money online on different platforms like YouTube, blogging, TikTok, also by sending emails. So you are going to learn some secrets on how to make money online. And welcome, Grace.
Thank you so much
It's
for
so
having
awesome
me.
to have you here. So first I would like to ask you, Grace, how did you get started with making money online? How did you get started with your journey? I've heard a little bit about it, but would you like to share with us more?
Yeah, so basically I'm a stay-at-home mom, and so why I wanted to make money online in the first place is that I used to work in a corporate job, so I'm really always wanting to make money. That's just my thing. But being a stay-at-home mom, I needed to be flexible to stay as a stay-at-home mom. So that's why making money online seems like the vehicle that will let me do that. And so I looked into a different business model, and actually affiliate marketing is not my first. So I was doing online shops before, and I made my own handmade little gifts. And so that was my first shop. And then I did a second shop, which is I made these dolls. But what I found with that business model, having e-commerce shop, is that I was just using Instagram to promote my shop. But being a shop owner is very, very involved and too much. And I'm tied to a location. I don't have freedom to work anywhere. And so that's why I had heard about affiliate marketing before, and then I'm like, I want to get back to that business model because I knew kind of a little bit about it, and then I just wanted to learn more about it because I knew there was a better way to make money online. And so that's how I kind of led myself to find Wealthy Affiliate that way.
So when you had this online shop, did you need to ship all the products?
Yes, you wear so many hats. You have to deal with branding. You got to deal with product research, your suppliers, your suppliers and vendors. You got to keep looking for reliable sources to get your materials from, and that was the most stressful part because I would need certain things for my stuff that I was making, and that was very stressful. I was going to different stores locally or online, and sourcing. It was really tough, and then you have to figure out how to ship it. Then you gotta figure out the packaging. It's a lot of different hats you gotta wear as a shop owner, and as a affiliate marketer, I don't do any of that. I just drive traffic, and that allows me, to just work on my laptop.
It gives much more freedom.
That's the freedom I want, to be able to work anywhere. I want it to, as long as I have the internet connection, right? So affiliate marketing business model is just so much easier in that sense to do that with. And I feel like as a beginner or somebody who wants to learn making money online, that's a very easier business model to go into versus have to think about your own products and all that. And that's why I like recommending this business model, and why I promote Wealthy Affiliate, because they have the best training to have a beginner really follow these step-by-step classes or training lessons and tasks.
That's true. It's easy to follow for beginners also, and it's actually surprising, like you said, that there are so many things with the having an online store, because before I have thought that there are not so many, because I see all these advertisements, people are advertising, learn how to do your own e-commerce, it's make millions of dollars, but I think it's much harder than what they say.
It is way much harder, especially if you don't know how to drive traffic. A lot of those big e-commerce stores that we see that make a lot of money, they know Facebook ads. If you don't know Facebook ads, you're not going to get the sales like they are showing you. And it's it's a lot harder than they make it seem.
Yeah, and Facebook ads requires money, and many people who start don't have so much money. So in that sense, also.
Yes. So there's an initial investment. So everything about it is it's a higher barrier to entry for any beginner. So that's why I don't feel like that's the best business model for any beginners to go into.
Yeah. So you also recommend for beginners affiliate marketing.
Yeah, because you're just promoting other people's products. So, and then you earn when you create a sale for the company that you promote with.
Yeah.
But that's the best part. Then the company has to deal with all the payment processing, all the refund issues, or customer service relations, and
I see.
I like that aspect. So if you're a new person, all you need to learn is how to drive traffic, which is a very important skill to have if anybody want to make money online.
Yeah, I see. So let's say that somebody is watching this who comes from Mars, like who doesn't have any experience of like affiliate marketing, or like when I got started, I didn't know what affiliate marketing means. So how would you explain to some person who doesn't know like what is affiliate marketing, like in a very simple and easy way, like what does it mean?
Yeah, so this is something that we've been doing for years and years and years. Like if you have a product that you've been using and you tell your friend, hey, I love this product that I've been using, go check it out, you go buy it. This is called just a word of mouth or a recommendation. So this is something we've been doing for years and years and years.
Yeah.
Right? So now it is translating into online business. So when you're online business, it's just, they could just call it a different thing, right? It's called affiliate marketing, because now you could work with any company like Amazon.com and promote their products that's already selling, that's already popular, and you just kind of ride on their success, really.
Yeah.
I mean, who doesn't want to go shop at Amazon, right?
Yeah.
And they see an Amazon link, oh, it's safe, it's trust.
Yeah.
And it's easy for somebody to promote an Amazon product.
Yeah.
Like that, so.
Yeah, that's actually how I got started. I saw like a small banner or something like that, like make money by promoting other people's products on Amazon. And I was like, what? Can I do this? And
yeah, exactly.
Then I want to learn more, and that is actually with affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products on Amazon and make money if you want.
Yes.
And there are so many, because before I thought like, okay, this is some new thing, like only a few companies are doing. But nowadays I realized like almost every big company on the internet have like affiliate programs.
Thousands and thousands of companies now have affiliate programs. So it doesn't matter what niche you want to go into, I feel like you can make money in any niche in affiliate marketing.
Yeah, that's true. What kind of recommendation would you say, like for somebody who is starting out, thinks about the niche, like
niche.
Yeah, like what path to choose, like what kind of products to promote with affiliate marketing?
Like which topic they should go into?
Yeah,
like how to choose a niche?
Yeah.
I think for beginners, I think it's most recommended to kind of go with something that you like, because you're building a business first of all. So you need to know that you're going to work in this topic, this niche for a long time.
Yeah.
So make sure you like it. And I mean, the ones that are the biggest evergreen niches are the make money online, wealth, health, and relationships, right?
Yeah.
But I feel like those are kind of like really tough for beginners to kind of get into, because it's so competitive. So I mean, you can always make money in those three niches, but if you start off like, let's say, a drone niche, or a drone niche, or do woodworking or a fishing or golf site, it's not in those three categories, but you could definitely make money in any of those that I just named off, right? Like any of those, you could build a niche site and make money from affiliate marketing with it.
Yeah, that's true.
And
it's
still make a full-time like income with a site like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. So Grace, you have lots of experience on different platforms. Like you have done blogging, you have done YouTube channel, you have nowadays you are famous on TikTok, you are making money with that also. And maybe you have tried Instagram also. So
yeah, I've had Instagram.
Which one
before.
would you recommend for beginners who are starting out? Like, what platform do you choose? Like somebody who doesn't have experience.
It just depends on what they're comfortable with. So if someone's comfortable with media like video, then I would recommend them using TikTok and YouTube to start, because those are the most powerful right now. Video marketing is the most powerful.
Yeah.
So, but if people don't want to do video marketing, and a lot of people are shy and don't want to be in front of camera, and that is fine. Then you do blogging, like an affiliate website, right? Then you can stay behind the scenes the entire time and make a ton of money if you want to, right? Depending on what niche and whatnot. But it's like, you don't have to be. So if you don't want to be in front of the camera, I recommend definitely a blog or a website to make your money.
I see.
But as you build your business, you kind of want everything eventually, because you're gonna want, like, once you have one platform success and you are getting visitors from that one platform, you're gonna want more. Yeah, and then so you're gonna start. You might get more comfortable. Like, let's say if you're not comfortable being on camera right now, but once you start building like a website and you kind of learn how the business works, then you might be more comfortable trying to get on camera, because you'll see in the industry how important video marketing is. And so you could develop, like, you don't have to do video right away, but it's highly recommended. Yeah.
I see. So first starting what you are comfortable with and what you like, the platform.
Yeah, because
and then once you master that, then
and then try to get out of your comfort zone and try some of the other tactics, because it could really skyrocket your business if you do stuff that's not in your comfort zone.
Yeah. So you mentioned TikTok, and now recently have been really popular there. So what kind of tips would you give for beginners?
Well, those kids on TikTok will not say I'm famous yet. I'm not famous yet. But so recently I had a viral video go off on there. And so that affected my business huge. Like it doubled my YouTube channel. It gave me like almost 100,000 new followers in 2 days from my viral video. It was 92,000 followers in 2 days.
Wow.
And it's given me since then, it's given me like over like probably like 150,000 followers.
Wow.
Like I'm at 180 right now, right? So it's incredible that that TikTok platform, because right now it's still in its early stage. So even though there is some kind of algorithm going on, there isn't like Instagram. It's really hard to get discovered right now, right? So because Instagram's algorithm is very guarded right now. So TikTok is more loose right now.
I see.
And your objective with TikTok is try to get on as many For You page as possible. So your video do get on the For You page. It's just a matter of how many you could get on.
For You page, it's like a front page, so like
it's
whole
kind of
page.
like so you have two main feeds on your home page, of your home page of your TikTok account. So there are a For You page, and then a tab for the people you follow.
Okay? I see.
And so everybody wants to be on the For You page, because that's where you could go viral.
I see. So what kind of tips would you give for creating this kind of viral videos? Like how did you do it? Do you want to share some secrets?
So like my TikTok account, it's about make money online. So it's my niche, right? So that's the first thing you want to set up is your niche for your account. You don't want to just be TikToking about any subject on there, because you do want to look like you're a certain vertical in your space.
Yeah.
Why? So like why people want to follow you, why people want to like look at your stuff is because you are going to either give them entertainment value or they're going to learn something from you. Okay? So the best way to get followers is that you kind of provide some kind of value, right? So on top of that, you want to keep things simple to understand because there's a lot of general public on TikTok, and a lot of them are young demographics. So you want to make sure your content is easily understandable and relatable. And being relatable is very important, and I think that's a huge part of the element of my video that went viral.
I see.
Because I said something, I think almost right away, like my second line was, "Are you shy?" And don't want to talk to people. So here's a method that you could use to make money, to not talk to people, kind of thing. Like you could stay behind the scenes doing typing work.
Yeah.
So that I think it related to a lot of people, because I kind of say, "Are you this person? Are you this type?" And then I showed them a money method that was easy to understand, simple, and valuable, because they like, "Oh, I could make money like this using this simple method." So all those elements I think added up to why people were following or engaging with that post. So you need your viral video or your video to be engaging. And I was getting a lot of follows with that one post compared to my other posts.
Yeah.
I noticed I was getting a lot of notifications, like even in the initial stage. I thought it would do probably okay. Like I could tell it was going to do well, but I didn't know it was going to do this well.
I see. So to
Yeah.
summarize, like creating simple and entertaining and like
Either entertaining, because I mean a lot of people go viral on there just for entertainment value.
yeah.
They don't like teach or anything or anything like that I'm
Yeah.
doing. So
I see.
you could go viral on just being either, I don't know, silly or whatever. But so there's an entertainment value or
Yeah.
a learning value.
Yeah. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing I wanted to ask you is that like a lot of people who get started to make money online, and I know you also help a lot of people to get started, and many people say, I don't have time, like I have the family and I have the this and that and I have hobbies and everything, and as we know, you are like a stay-at-home mom, you have a family to take care of, and you are known as Littlemama online.
Yes.
So how do you manage like your time with your online business and family and everything? Like
You have to be very disciplined. So no matter who you are or what you're doing, like you have to know that you're going into this is a big project, first of all. So you need to think about initially how you're going to fit it into your schedule. Everybody starts with a busy life, right?
Yeah.
And then if you want to make money online, like using our method and really want to build it, I would suggest that you need to slowly schedule it into your life. The more you can do it, and faster you can schedule it into your life, and get that consistency going week after week, you work on it like more and more, then it's very, for me, you need a lot of self-discipline to stick to a schedule. But you know, if you try to start with that one hour a week, let's say, you know, just to let's say on the weekend, try to spend an hour on this one thing, and do 2 hours next week, and just kind of build on that. And so how I make sure I get everything done is I work basically anytime I have. I mean, I don't wake up super early to start my day, but as soon as like I know, like from after the girls go to school, I have like 9 to 3. I have 6 hours of solid, you know, I eat like take a 10-minute lunch. I make sure I get as much quality work as I can in 6 hours. Then from like maybe 3 to 8, I'm busy with family stuff. And then I'll spend at least another couple hours at least after that, from 8 to 10 or 8 to 11 and 12.
I see.
Sometimes depends on what it is I'm doing.
I see. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I think also it's good, like you have, let's say you work from 9 to 3. You have like a small deadline there, like the 3.
Yes.
Because sometimes when people, they have lots of time, like let's say I have the whole weekend with this, then they don't do it. They just, okay, I have a lot of time, I will do it maybe later, then maybe later. Then they realize in the Sunday evening, oh, the weekend went, I don't have time.
It is a lot of self-discipline that you gotta work on to be able to get that consistency into your whole system, basically. You know, whatever you want to do in life, I think it's not just this thing. It's like if you want to get good at something, you really gotta dedicate and make that commitment. Yeah,
I think that's important. That's just deciding, like, I will do it. I remember when I like made it like a decision, like, okay, now I'm going to succeed. Now I want to make money online. Like I decided, and I said to my friends, okay, I'm going to do this. Next year I will quit my job and do this kind of things. Then I did it eventually. But before that, I was like dabbling a little bit, like struggling.
Yeah, dabbling is not. Yeah, you're not gonna get that far if you're just gonna dabble, right?
Yeah, that's true. All right, so I would like to ask in the end, do you have some, let's say, anything else you want to share or call to actions where you can find you? So would you like to share with everyone?
Yeah, my channel, my YouTube channel, you could just find me at Grace, aka Littlemama. You could search that on YouTube and you'll definitely find me like that. And I'm sure you could just link it in your video
I will leave all the links in the description where you can find more.
And my website is workanywherenow.com.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Awesome tips. And we'll see you in the next video.